What's up, you guys? It's Jordan Christina. Welcome back to your girls series on vegan cosmetics. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create lipstick or lip balm. Both are going to be treating your lips very nice with care underneath all the pigmentation. So if you want to learn, go ahead and keep watching. I'm going to show you guys how to create it from start to finish. All you'll need is some jojoba oil, vitamin E oil. It doesn't really matter. I know I'm saying that wrong. Jojoba jojoba oil or vitamin E oil, coconut oil. It does not matter. Whatever you want to nourish your lips with. I think any oil is good. You also need beeswax. You'll need coffee filter. I honestly, for like a coffee filter or anything like that, I just kind of just did my own arts and crafts, you feel me? So this is what I came up with. I just cut the bottom half pretty much. So that's how I did it, because I didn't really have anything to like drain out any type of grain from the beetroot or anything that we'll be using today. So to create some lipstick for you that's gonna last you the whole week, maybe the whole month, you're gonna get your mixing bowl. If you want it to be darker, you're just gonna add a little bit more cacao powder, something like that. Even if you want it a tad bit darker, in our last videos, I've showed you guys how to use activated charcoal. So you can add like a pinch of charcoal in there, just kind of make it like a grungy type of berry look. Alright guys, this is your finished product. It should look very grainy. Basically, when you have that type of consistency going for yourself, you're gonna pull out your handy grainer, whatever you have, to drain out the beetroot. Alright guys, so go ahead and whip out a second container, preferably small. Start to drain all of the beetroot and the grain into your coffee filter or any filter that you have at the moment. Also, if the consistency is lacking in any form, go ahead and add a little bit more oil. So as you see from before, it's just a different consistency. It's just oil and the pigmentation. It's not necessarily the beetroot grain or anything. In the kitchen, so all you're gonna need is just a small boiling pot. You're also gonna need tablespoon measuring. You're also gonna need African shea butter, and you're also gonna need white beeswax. So we're gonna get into it. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Alright guys, so once you guys have that consistent, oops, let me close this microwave. So you didn't catch me recording from the microwave, but anyways. But once you are done, the consistency should look a little bit like this. Okay. And before we go ahead and wait for it to dry, I add a little bit of essential oils. You don't have to, but I do. I use a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of rose as well. I just like my lips to smell good or whatever. So definitely don't do what I just did. I made a big mess. I cleaned it up after myself, but go ahead and just pour your juices, your oils into the small concealed container that you have, and go ahead and store it into the freezer for about 30 to 40 minutes. Alrighty guys, so I got it out of the freezer, so I left it in there for about 40 minutes, and this is what it looked like. This is the consistency. So I'm going ahead and going to test it out for you guys. You can also store it in that same concealed container. You do not have to leave it in the refrigerator. You can leave it out. Okay, and it'll last you a good couple months, depending on how many times you wear that same lipstick color. And you can use this with any type of powder. If you did like this video, help your girl out. Put some comments down below if I didn't cover anything for you. Subscribe and like, please, if you enjoyed this video and my attention span. That's pretty much it. You know, help your girl out. It's day 3 out here.
Kiss the ring now. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get R.I.P. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying east side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Just me, myself, and I, my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. They say if you can't beat them, then you